everyone get on Freya?
Thank you. Oh, you've just dropped something, Bill?
No, thank you.
It's all right.
Bruce.
Three adults, and how old's the little? 6, yes, it's a child's food in that one. $22 all, thank you.
Sunny day, we can run up without charging all day. Start off.
They're up the other end. They're up this end. Oh.
Yeah, oh thanks, okay.
Come
That's such a weird request. You want to hold the orange? Please. Please.
Oh, thanks, hey? Thanks. I suppose you have a lot of near misses with the pedestrian, with the level crossing there.
Unfortunately, we do.
Every trip, I imagine.
Well, not every trip, but every day.
Yeah.
It just won't stop.
Oh, yeah.
They didn't stop before for the trains. We lived up in just on the south side, old Byron Bay Road.
Oh yeah.
The old crossing there, they never stopped.
I don't know.
Stop sign and everything.
Playing on a train. You're going to come out second best.
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, people can't understand the trains can't stop.
Nah. We got 70 tons.
Yeah, right. You're going to win.
Yeah, right. on a steel track that just skids. When you put the brakes on, nothing happens.
Won't skid unless it's wet.
Yeah.
You can only put the brakes are regulated so that you can only put them on so hard.
I'm not sure if I've done a ticket for you down the other end.
It's 4 of us.
Yeah, I can't remember. I think they bought 2 each, but I can't remember if there was 2 punched each or not. Yeah, I just need to grab the ticket out if I can, please. Thank you so much. There we go. Thank
Great,
you.
thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your trip.
Thanks very much. Yeah, the last time I rode along these tracks was the last run of the XPT.
Alright. Yeah, 14 years ago.
Yeah. Got pictures of it up at the at Mawilumbar, live in Mawilumbar and everything.
Right.
I never thought it'd get going like this. My biggest fear that the right of way would just disappear over the years to trees and farmers would acquire it. You know.
Disappeared to trees. You're looking straight in front of us, and we had to clear all this.
Well, that's right. That's right. Actually, I supported the bicycle track idea.
Oh, yeah.
What
I want to see it alongside the track.
Yeah. Well, I'd like to see it alongside the track. Yeah, but at least keep the right of way. You know, if we got to do something, or we're going to lose the right of way over the years. I reckon.
You want to be careful. The whole bicycle track was a government con, so they could just flog off the land.
There you go.
Because it's protected. I worked for them for 40 years.
There you go. Oh.
Because they can't flog off the land.
That's why it's a railway.
It's a railway.
Yeah, that's right.
When part of the deal of making it a bicycle track was to make it not a railway, so then they could just flog it off whenever they wanted to.
Incredible, eh?
Yeah. Oh, they're cunning.
Oh, absolutely.
Because, you know, they say, oh, it's to preserve it, but really it isn't. It was so.
Did that guy work?
Yeah, he worked for the railways. It's pretty slow at taking off, but it gets going.
Can it reverse?
Yeah, it can reverse, but you have to come from the other end to drive it.
I thought it went pretty fast, actually.
Yeah, once it got going, it went fast, didn't it?